Hey Easy Technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to fix a slow startup on Windows 11. Windows 11 is marketed as lightning fast, but it, like its predators, can suffer from slow startup times. Common causes for the slow startup may include built-in and third-party startup apps configuration, issues with your system files and Windows installation, bad Windows updates, using a conventional hard disk over SSD as a Windows boot drive. Alright, so first off we will open the Task Manager. First thing you want to do is hover over the Start menu and right click and choose Task Manager. Alright, it's going to take you to this page. So what you want to do is simply choose the Startup tab and select any applications that you don't use or they are unnecessary and simply choose Disable. So for example, I never use Microsoft Teams, so I'll choose that and select Disable. As well as this one, Microsoft Teams. As you can see, it's already enabled, so go ahead and choose it and select Disable. Alright, and once you're done with this, simply all you have to do is exit this out. And now we'll perform a clean boot. Once again, we're going to right click on the Start menu and go ahead and choose Run. And we're going to type in msconfig and simply choose OK. Alright, it's going to take you to this page. All you have to do from here is choose the Services tab and then go ahead and choose Disable All. Alright, and then once you do that, from the Startup tab, go ahead and choose the Startup tab and choose Open Task Manager once again. And it's going to take you to the Startup tab and go ahead and select each item and simply choose Disable. So all the items that are already enabled, simply select them and choose Disable. Once you're done, go ahead and close the Task Manager. And once you're done, go ahead and choose Apply and OK. And it'll ask you if you want to restart your computer. You will need to restart immediately. However, I will restart later. So choose Restart. Alright, so now we're going to do another method. So first thing we're going to do is open up the Start menu once again and choose Settings. And go ahead and select Windows Update. It's going to take you to this page and go ahead and choose Check for Updates. The whole point of this is to make sure that your computer is up to date. If it has this green check and it says you're up to date, then you have nothing else to do. Go ahead and exit this out once again. And the last thing we're going to do is enable fast startup on your PC from the control panel. So to do that, go ahead and choose the Start menu and type in Control Panel. Go ahead and choose the best match application. Go ahead and choose next to View By, go ahead and choose Large Icons and find where it says Power Options and simply choose that. Alright, from here you're going to choose what the closing lid does. And over here it's going to show your shutdown settings and you're going to turn on fast startup. And if it's locked like this, you can't change it, then go ahead and choose change settings that are currently unavailable. And as you can see, you can simply choose that box to enable it and choose save settings or save changes. Alright, that will conclude my tutorial today. I hope y'all benefited. Make sure to like the video, share it with all your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.